about true solution. As there are certain substances, as you can see, honey, sugar, salt, lemon juice and water. All these substances get dissolved in water to form a true solution. Now I have taken a glass of water and I'll add a teaspoon of salt in the water and I'll start mixing it. Now students, can you see the particles of the salt in water? As I cannot see the particles of the salt in the water, and the particles of the salt got intermixed with the particles of the water and it has formed a true solution. You all will be surprised to know that the particle size is less than 1 nanometer in diameter. The particles of the true solution is small that we cannot see with our naked eyes. The mixture where the particles are uniformly distributed are called the homogeneous mixture. Now, a true solution is defined as a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances where the particle size is less than 1 nanometer. Do you think the quantity of the component are the same in the true solution? Now, I am doing an activity to show you that I am taking a little bit of salt and putting it in the water, and the salt which I have taken, it is in the less quantity than the water. The salt which is present in the less quantity is called the solute, and the component which is present in the large quantity is known as solvent. Now students, we can define that the solute as the component in the less quantity in the solution, and solvent is the component which is in the large quantity in the solution. Now, as you know about the solute, the solvent, so solute plus solvent will form a solution, and that is a salt solution. So there can be more than one solute in a solvent. If I have to make a lemonade, I have to add a solute, that is a lemon juice, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar to make a lemonade. Here the lemonade which is being prepared, it consists of a solute, that is a lemon juice, salt and sugar, and the solvent is the water. Students, if I have to make an ORS, I'll add a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and then I'll stir it and make a true solution, and in this the sugar and the salt is a solute and the water is a solvent. Now student, while understanding what is true solution, you have made a too hydrated drink for the summer. Students, can you give me some more examples of true solution? I'll just give you some example. Here it is an aerated drink, and in aerated drink carbon dioxide is being dissolved in the water, and here carbon dioxide acts as a solute and water acts as a solvent, and I have tincture iodine with me, and tincture iodine is a mixture of iodine in alcohol, and here iodine acts as a solute and alcohol acts as a solvent. Dear students, to further explain about true solution, I am taking a little bit of water in the glass and I'll start adding the solute in the solvent. Here the solute is being dissolved in the solvent, and this solution of true solution is known as unsaturated solution. And if I start adding more salt in it, and I'll start adding some more salt, then what will happen? A stage will come in which no more solute will be dissolved in the solvent, and that state is known as a saturated state, and the solution is known as saturated solution. Now student, as you can see that the salt is not being dissolved in the solvent and a saturated solution is being formed. So a solution which contains the maximum amount of solute dissolved in a given quantity of the solvent at a given temperature and which cannot dissolve any more solute in the solvent, this solution is known as saturated solution. Now students, a quick recap on the properties of true solution. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles of the true solution are smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter. The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by the process of filtration. The solution do not scatter a beam of light when passed through the solution. Now students, I think so you all are clear about the true solution which I have explained you through activity. Thank you very much.